Hey guys, I'm Banu Suhas and welcome back to my channel Obora Academy. As we discussed in the previous session of quantitative reasoning, we have done some LCM tricks, right? So today we are gonna do the same LCM tricks in the Kahoot. So let's get started. So I'll share my screen so you could see the game pin. So let's get started. So a minute, guys. So hope you can see my screen. So here is your Kahoot game pin 3637123. So hope everybody can see my screen. Yeah. So after we get some players, so I will just explain like 2 to 3 tricks. Okay, like how you should do them. Okay, okay we have got 4 players: Lalli, Nikki, TS, and Bhavya and Sunny. Okay. Advik, Nandu, I'm getting players. So I'll open my Jamboard. Before that, you can join. Here's your game pin. I'm waiting for players. I'm waiting for players, guys. Okay, I think I'm not getting players, so I'll wait for 1 more minute. So if players join, I will. If players join, let's wait. Okay, I have another player, Abhi. If players are not joining, let's start the game. Oh, sorry. Okay, here we have Simba. I have another 2 players, Simba and Bolt. Okay, I think we are not getting players today, so let's start. So before that, I'll explain you like 2 sums. Okay, I have another player PR. So I'll explain you just 2 problems, how to do them. So it's so simple. So let's take the numbers 5. Okay, 5, and the number 15, and the number 20, and the number 30. Okay, so you'll have to find LCM for these numbers. So how to do them? Let me just increase. Okay, so how to see them? So from these 4 numbers, you will have to see the largest number, which is 30. Okay, so the largest number is 30 over here. So what you should do? So you will have to see whether this number 30 is divisible by all these 3 numbers. Okay, so so 30 is divisible by 15 and 5 only. So let's just cancel these numbers. Okay, 15 and 5 we have cancelled. So we have the number 20. So if this number 20 is not divisible by 30, then how you should do? So what you should do is, with this number 30 you'll have to multiply 2. Okay? So when you multiply with the number 2, you get the number 60. Am I right? So when you get the number 60, you will have to see whether this 60 is divisible by 20 or not. Okay? If this 60 is divisible by 20, then 60 is going to be your LCM. Okay? So for 5, 15, 20 and 30, your LCM is 60. Okay, this is a short trick. So while I'm explaining, this is taking a lot of time. So if you just do normally, it'll take, you can do it in a fraction of seconds. You can't, you don't want to do it in the LCM method. Okay, this is so easy. So for this problem, you will do like this. So think of another problem like 6, 12, 24, 48. Okay, so this is again so easy. Okay, let me just write it in the straight order so that you can, it'll be so understandable. So 6, 12, 24, 48. So here again you will have to see the largest number from these numbers. So 48 is going to be your largest number. So then what you will have to do is, you will have to see whether this number 48 is divisible by 24, 12 and 6. So again 48 is divisible by all 24, 12 and 6. So here 48 is going to be your LCM. So let's see in another way how you will do. So take the number 7, 14 and 13. How you will do for this? So for this, how you do is, again you will have to see the largest number. So 14 is going to be your largest number. So with this number 14, you will have to see these two numbers are whether 14 is divisible by 7 and 13. So only 7 is divisible, so let's cut the 7. So you have the number 13. So if you have any number which is a prime number, so 13 is a prime number, right? So what you'll have to do? You will have to multiply this largest number, which is 14 into 13. Okay. So when you multiply 14 into 13, you get the answer as 182. Okay, so 182 is your LCM for 7, 14 and 13. So hope everybody understood how we should do. So I have said you the tips and tricks. I have said you the 3 tips and tricks how to solve. So many of them may have what is a multiple. Many of them may have a doubt what is a multiple and what is an LCM, or least common multiple, lowest common multiple, or the smallest common multiple. So multiple means multiple is the product of the quantity or an integer. So if you take the number 12, if you say the multiples, the numbers which you get when you the products when you multiply with the products of the 6 are going to be your multiples. So what do you mean by LCM? The least common multiple, lowest common multiple, or smallest common multiple. What do you mean by the common word LCM? So LCM, for example, so if you want to find the LCM for example, take this itself, 7, 14, 13. Okay, so LCM means common multiple. So you'll have many multiples like 7, for that you'll have 14. So like that you'll have many multiples, right? So from these multiples, you will have to see the lowest common multiple. So in the common multiples, you write it aside. So from that you see which is the lowest common multiple, which is the least common multiple. So that is going to be your LCM. So for to say it in common words, so the number which is divisible by the rest of the numbers, which is 7, 14 and 13, the number which is divisible by 7, 14 and 13 is gonna be your LCM. So hope everybody what I have said understood what I have said you. So let's go into our Kahoot and see. Oh, I have a lot of players. So when I stopped with PR, so I have Sanjay, Gayu, Sai, Chico, Funny, Flossie, Shuzina, Jittu. I have a lot of players. So I think today our game is going to be so interesting. So let's start our today's game. So today your topic is going to be quantitative reasoning. I hope that everybody know. Okay, so first question. Find the LCM of 5, 15, 20 and 30. We have already discussed this. I have given you still a lot of time because I wanted you all again to work out and see whether you are getting the correct answer. So if you get the correct answer, just give a thumbs up in the chat box and just hit the like button without forgetting. Okay, I have 4 answers, 5 answers, 6, 5 only, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I'm getting the answers, but you still have 200 seconds. That means like 3 minutes and 20 seconds. You have a lot of time. I thought that you all wanted to work out, so it would be somewhat late. But oh, I have got the answer. So the answer for this is 60. I have explained it to you already, and I have got 8 correct answers. That is so good. But like 10 wrong answers. That is no worries about that. You have like 6 questions of the LCM questions, and then you'll have some math questions, simple math questions. So no worries about that. So here why I have got 60, I have already explained you. Just go back to the video and continue, and just come again to the live, so that you could get your Kahoot questions, else you will get the times up. So no worries, I have given you 4 minutes of time. No worries about that. Okay, so now let's move to the scoreboard. Okay, Advik is in the first, good, and Lali is in the second, and Nikki is in the third. Okay, and Nandu and Bhavya and Sunny are the runner-ups. So good about that. So do I have any message? I think no. Okay, so now let's see the second question. Here is your second question. Find the LCM of 7, 14 and 13. I have already said even this to you. Again, this is so easy, right? I think you will give the answer so fast once you get the question in YouTube. Six answers, seven. I think the answer count is increasing. Nine answers. Ten, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, I have got the results. So again 8 correct answers and like again 10 wrong answers. So no problem about that. So 182, because so you'll have to see the largest number, which is 14. So from 14 you'll have to see whether these two numbers are, whether 14 is divisible by these two numbers. So only 7 is a divisible number for 14. So let's cut this 7. So you'll have the number 13. So 13 is a prime number, so you'll have to multiply 14 and 13. So you get the answer 182. This is so easy. No problem, you can try in the next question. So let's see in the scoreboard whether the scoreboard has got any change in it. So yeah, there is a change. Bhavya and Sunny are in the first place, good, and Nandu is in the second place. But for those two, it's gonna be a tight competition because there are only 2 places ahead. So Bhavya and Sunny are just 2 places ahead, but no problem. So Advik is in the third place. Lalli and Nikki are the runner-ups. Okay, and up 3 places, Funny is the highest primer. Good, Funny. So let's see the next question. I think again the next question is going to be easy. 6, 12, 24, and 48. I think even this I have said you. First three questions they are going to be so easy as I said you. Because I have already given you a quick recap about that. I'm waiting for the answers. I know that you're getting the question late in YouTube. No problem about that. 8, 9. This is so simple, so I wanted everybody to at least 3 by 4th of them to get the correct answer. But I wish everybody should get the correct answer. Everybody take these questions so important because LCM tricks and tricks to form the 4-digit or 5-digit LCM problems, you may at least take off 5 minutes of time. But if you use these tips and tricks, you can easily solve them. So this session is so important for you, the previous session and this session. If you want the previous session, we'll give the link in the description box below so that you can view and increase your LCM tips and tricks, LCM solving time a lot. Okay, only 16 answers. 2 more to be answered. I'm waiting for the answers. Okay, I have the results with me. Okay, 10 of them are correct and like 7 of them are wrong. No problem about that. So 10 of them are correct. That's so good. So here you will have to see the largest number from these numbers. So 48 is going to be your largest number. So if 48 is going to be your largest number, you will have to see whether 48 is divisible by rest of the three numbers. So 6, 12 and 24. All these three are 48 is divisible by all these three numbers. So here is your correct answer, which is 48. So next question onwards, I'll just give an explanation in the Jamboard. So now let's move to the next question. So in the scoreboard, again there is a change. So Advik is in the first place, Lalli is in the second place, and Nikki in the third place. And Bhavya, Sunny, and Nandu are the runner-ups. Okay, and Advik has the highest answer streak of 3. That's good. I think you have got all the 3 questions till now right. That's so good, Advik. So now let's see the next question. So, a minute. Okay, here's your fourth question. Find the LCM of 7, 14, 28 and 56. Even this is easy peasy lemon squeezy. I know what it means. It is, I think you know what it means. It means that it is so easy. 5 answers, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 answers, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16. This is going to be so easy. 2 more answers I want. I need two more answers. You still have 125 seconds of time. I need two more answers. Two more answers. So I'm waiting for the rest of the two. Your time is gonna get over. So quick guys, hurry up. 22, 21, 20 more seconds. Hurry up guys. Five more seconds. Four, three, two, one. Oh, your time's up. Okay. So no problem about that. So seven correct answers and like nine wrong answers. No worries about that. And let me say why you have got the answer as 56. Because you will have to see the largest number from this. So 56 is the largest number. So you will have to see whether 56 is divisible by 28, 14 and 7. So of course 56 is divisible by 28, 14 and 7. So your LCM is going to be 56. So hope everybody understood how we should do this problem. So now let's move to the scoreboard. So here is its scoreboard result. So, okay, Simba and Chico had come up. So Simba is in the fourth place and Chico is in the fifth place. And Lalli, Nikki, Advait, they are the same positions. I think they didn't change. So let's move to the next question. So the next question is over here for you. Find the LCM of 4, 12, 16 and 24. So 4, 12, 16 and 24. So I'm waiting for the answers. Okay, I have the results with me. 7 correct answers and 7 wrong answers. It's in balanced equation. So 7 correct answers. So let me say you how the others got the correct answer. So Here 4, 12, 16 and 24, the largest number is 24. So you will have to see whether this 24 is divisible by 4, 12 and 16. So 4 and 12, the number is divisible. So let's cut this 4 and then 12. So let me explain this in Jamboard. So here you have your Jamboard and even your question. So let's see how you should just solve it. So for solving, you will have to see the largest number. Okay, so the largest number is 24. Okay, so now you will have to see whether this 24 is divisible by 4, 12 and 16. So for 4 and 12, the 24 is divisible. So let's cut these two numbers. So 16 is not a prime number. So what we should do? We should do 24 times 2, which is 48. Okay, so you have 48 with you now. So you'll have to see whether 16 it is divisible by 48 or not. So 16 times 3, 6 3s are 18. 3 ones are 3 and then 1 is a 4. So 48, 16 3s are 48. So 48 is divisible by 16. So your LCM is 48. Okay. So hope everybody how you got the answer as 48. So let's just move to the next question. Before that, let's check the scoreboard. So in scoreboard, no changes. Okay, whether in the bottom anyone might have changed. So up 3 places, TS is the biggest. TS is the highest climber. Oh, good. So now let's see the next question. So here you have your next question. Find the LCM. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. This is going to be easy or some tricky. You can answer it so easy. I'm waiting for 7 of them. Even this is going to be so easy, as I said you. 12 answers. Waiting for the answers. Okay, I have the answers with me. So 9 correct answers and like 3 and over here another 2. So 5 wrong answers. So 9 correct answers. So let me say you how the others have got the correct answer. So let me just copy the question to for the Jamboard. So let me just copy these numbers. So let me just minimize. Okay, so we'll have it over here. Let me just zoom it. Okay, so how you will do this? So again you will have to see the largest number from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So your largest number is 12. So you will have to see whether this 12 is gonna be divisible by 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So 12 is divisible by 2, 4, because 2 times 6 and 4 times 3 and 6 times 2. So but in 8 and 10 it's not gonna be divisible. So for that as we have discussed, 12 times 2 we'll have to do, so you get 24. 24 it's only divisible for 8 but not for 10. So what you'll have to do? So 12 it will also, so the 12 should also be divisible by 10. So 10 multiples it always end in 0. So for 12 it will only end in 60 okay, 60 or in 120. So for 12 you can only get 120, you cannot get 60. So you can also get 60 but 120, okay, but I think in 80 you can't get the 60. Okay, so here you have, you write 120. So what you will have to do, so 120, you will have to check whether for 10 120 is going 12 times, even in 8 times table 120 is gonna go. So let's just do 120 by 8. Okay, 8 ones are 8, and then you have 4, and then 0, and 8 fives are 40. Okay, even 8 is going to be divisible, so 120 is going to be your LCM, the lowest common multiple. So in 12 times table for 10 and 8, only 120 you will meet them the same first. So 120 is going to be your lowest common multiple. So let's see the scoreboard whether anyone have changed. So, okay, Simba is in the second place, and Lali in the third, and Nikki in the fourth. Okay, fourth. Okay, good. But up 5 places, PR is the highest climber. Okay, so now let's move to the next question. Write all the factors of 12. Now you are over with your LCM. Now write the factors of 12. All the factors of 12. Not just the fact, all the factors. You will have to select the option where you have all the factors. I think you may have the answer correct in your mind. Okay, I have got it so quick. I think I have got only I have only kept less time. So no worries about that. So 13 correct answers and one wrong answer. That's so cool, you know. 13 correct answers. So how you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, right? 1 times 12 is 12, and so even 12 is completed. So 2 times 6 and 3 times 4. So that's all. It is so easy, right? Even 4, 6, 12 is there. So all these are factors of 12. So now let's move to the scoreboard without any delay. So again it's the same, no changes in the scoreboard, but up 3 places, Avi is the highest climber. Again, that's so cool. So now let's just go to the next question. So write all the factors of 32. Again, this is gonna be so easy. Two answers, three, four. I wanted you guys to try. Oh, that's so quick. 13. Okay, I have the results with me. So 9 correct answers and 6 wrong answers. No worries about that. Okay, 6 nuns. Okay, no problem. So one times 32 and two times uh, two times you can get one over here and 6. So 16. Okay. So and 3 times. Oh, okay, okay. I think the answer is none. Okay, okay. So no doubts. So the answer is none. That was some mistake. So just leave it. So now let's move to the scoreboard without any delay. So Chico has come to the third place. Funny is in the fourth place. Good. So Advik, from a long time, he is staying in that position without changing, without swapping. That's so good, Advik. You're maintaining that position. Good about that. So now let's see the next question. Write all the factors of 36. 14 answers. Fourteen answers. Okay, I have the results with me. So 14 correct answers and one wrong answer. No worries about that. So here 1 times 36 and 2 times 18 and 3 times 12. Oh, yeah, I think so. That's yeah, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, and so yeah, 6 times 9. Okay, 4 times, oh, just leave that. So you, these are the multiples: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36 are the multiples of the factors of 36. That's so cool. So now let's see the scoreboard. So Lally has come to the fourth place, good, and that's the same. But Chico has a streak with 8 correct answers in a row. Good. So now let's move to the next question. Write all the factors of 50. This is so easy. So 14 answers. The answer count is increasing. Okay, I have got 5 correct answers and 10 wrong answers. The correct answer is none because in red if you see 3 is there. So 3 you cannot get for 50, and if you see in the blue one, you get your 6 is there. So 6 you cannot get like in 50. So if you multiply, so you can only get 60, like you cannot get 50. Okay, so the answer is none. So now let's see the scoreboard. So Lally and Nikki, they both came up. So Lally is in the third place and Nikki is in the fourth place. Good, but Advik and Simba, they're maintaining their places, and Funny has a streak with 7 correct answers in a row. Good. So now let's see the next question. Write all the factors of 64. Two answers. Waiting for answers. 4 more. Okay, I have the results with me. 9 correct answers and 6 wrong answers. No worries about that. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and 64 are your factors for 64. So hope everybody understood. So without any delay, let's move to the next question. So there are no changes in the scoreboard. Good. So the next question, let's move. 52 plus 2 equals to 60 plus what number you should add over here so that you can equate this equation. From now on, you're gonna get the questions like this. So simple. I hope you can see the green color now. As we didn't put the option in the green, so you can't see your green color at that time. So when we have put the option even in the green color, you can even see your green color. Okay, I have my results over here. 10 correct answers and 5 wrong answers. No worries about that. So 45 into 2 is your 90. So 60 plus 30 is going to be 90, so that you can equate your equation. So the correct answer is 30. If you replace 30 over there, 60 plus 30 is going to be your 90, and 45 into 2 is going to be your 90. So 90 equals to 90. Your equation is gone true. So hope you all understood how you should do this. So now let's move to the next question. So there are no changes in the scoreboard, but everyone of have got the correct answer. Good. So now let's see the next question. So here you have the next question. 11 times y equals to 72 minus 11 5s are 72 minus what? beautiful answers. Only one answer with me till now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 3, 2, 1. The time's up. Okay. So 10 correct answers and 2 wrong answers. So 11 5s are 55. So 72 minus 17, you get 55. So your equation is gonna get true. That's good. So now let's see the scoreboard. So there are no changes in the scoreboard. Okay, but Simba is making a comeback with 3 in a row. Good. So if you're gonna get another question correct, you're gonna get 3 correct answers in a row. Good. So now let's see the next question. 34 plus 16 equals to 5 into Advait. From the starting, you are maintaining your first place position. That's so good about you. I wanted you to even maintain the same enthusiasm till the end so that you can reach your first place gold winner. Gold, you're gonna be the gold winner. 3 answers: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, 13 correct answers. That is so good. So, and 2 wrong answers. No worries about that. So, 34 plus 16 is your 50. So, 5 times 10, you get 50. So, when you add 10, you get your equation balanced. 50 equals to 50. So, hope everybody understood why you should place this 10 over here. So, without any delay, let's move to the next question. Before that, let's check the scoreboard. That is so good, but 3 in a row PR is back in the main game. That's so good, PR. So, Advik, again, you are leading in the first place. That's so good. And no changes in the scoreboard. Again, that is so good. So, if you maintain the same Advik, same position, you can reach your first place winner. So, there is one more question left. So, I wanted everybody to attend this quick so that you could come to the podium and challenge Advik. Okay, so now let's see the next question. Last but not the least. 28 into 3 equals to 58 plus. This is the last question, so everybody do it fast. So I have 11 correct answers and 4 wrong answers. So 26 is correct because 28 times 3 you get 84. So 58 plus 26 you are going to get the number 84. So you get the equation balanced. 84 equals to 84. So you get your answer cut. So when you place this number 26 over there, you get the correct answer. So your equation is going to be solved. So that's all about this, Kahoot. So now let's see the podium results. So the third place winner is the bronze winner is Funny, and the silver winner is Simba, and the first place winner is Advik. So Advik and Simba, from a long time, they were maintaining their places. That's so cool about them. So the runner-ups are Lally and Nikki. That is so good. So guys, that's all about this session. So if you like this session, just give it a like, share it with your friends, and if you hadn't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it and just click the notification bell. So these quantitative reasoning, logical reasoning, and verbal reasoning, they're all so helpful for your competitive exams. So Like these, we are making some more topics of videos. So I'm making another topic of video of the word power medicine book, which is so helpful for your competitive exams vocabulary. So for math part, quantitative reasoning is vocabulary, and for the English or the grammar part, your word power medicine or this book is so helpful for your vocabulary. So that's all about this session. So as I said, you if you like this session, just give it a like, share it with your friends, and if you hadn't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it and click the notification bell. That's all.